When purchasing new equipment, perform a review of the equipment against GMP requirements and known risks to ensure that it will enhance the sanitary design of your processes and facility. Often GMP facilities will employ an equipment selection checklist or an equipment commissioning checklist to ensure that equipment will meet GMP requirements. Operational conditions which may affect equipment choices include cleaning requirements, such as can it withstand the chemical concentration, temperature, mechanical force, and time of the cleaning as required in your cleaning procedure? Also, is it easily disassembled and cleaned or cleaned in place? Is it elevated for easy cleaning beneath? Is it spaced for easy cleaning all around the equipment? Also, is the equipment made from non-corrosive and non-toxic materials? Does the equipment present any risk of depositing broken or loose parts into the product? Does the equipment have smooth seams to prevent material buildup? Does the equipment protect product against leaks of lubricant, fuel, or other contaminants? Also consider maintenance requirements, inspection requirements, and space for inspections, cleaning, and maintenance, and congruence with the surrounding area. Before and after installation of new equipment, conduct tests to verify that the equipment will function as expected. Also verify that your planned cleaning procedure will work as expected. For pharma applications, you will need to do a very thorough and well-documented equipment qualification process. This will be covered in another video.